Very good morning, sir. Heartfelt congratulations for your well deserved success and wishing you tons of best wishes for all the new adventure that your organization has in store for you. A small introduction about myself. I have been working as an HR manager in automobile industry. I have almost 11 years of experience, and after corona job loss I couldn't able to go for a job as I have to take care of my newborn baby. Then I have associated with many banks and working as a financial agent. Now I am continuing this as it is a working from home option. As the first most, I have to thank you for the opportunity to present in front of you regarding the policies. As I am presenting to the key man of the company, let me explain the key man policy to you first. This is a super saver policy for the companies where directors are involved and the benefits can avail when the unforeseen losses of your partner's presence. We call him a key man. The situations may change at any moment, as like we never expected, and virus will enter into our life. Let may God bless to bring everything back to normal. Coming back to the topic, if any unexpected loss happens to the key man of the company, we will help to identify the company from the losses and to allow it to continue as the same thriving concern that it was while the key man was alive, and you can avail the benefit up to 100 crores. Obviously, the benefit in such cases will be the company. We will be providing the policy from the reputed insurance companies like ICICI, HDFC, Star Insurance, SBI, etc. For protection against unforeseen emergencies, insure your company immediately, and it creates the stability of the organization in the eyes of customers, shareholders, investors, vendors and distributors, which may automatically increases the profit of the organizations as well. Please note that the premium which you are paying for the Keyman policy is 100% tax exempt under Section 37 of 1 Income Tax Act 1961. Please call me at any time to understand more about this policy and how it works for you. Keyman insurance to secure the company when the keyman's unforeseen losses. Apart from that, we are providing director's term insurance which covers you and your family. This is a special insurance which will be providing to you with many benefits as you are the core member of the organization, which also covers the COVID coverage. You may be aware that the term insurance is the most selling product in the market in this pandemic situation. As the demand increases for the product, don't wait till the product price to increase. Those who have taken the health insurance, make sure your policy has COVID-19 covered as soon as possible. The price set by government for a ventilator bed is 13,800 for a day. It will be at least twice of this when it comes in reality. I am one among who face the real scenario. Apart from this, we are providing car insurance also for the core members of the organization. Majorly, I am concentrating to provide group health insurance policy, personal accident insurance to the company employees. I have already worked with many corporates including Tata Consultancy Services, and I know the insurance policies and know the best plans which help me a lot to support a company where they required a corporate insurance suggestions based on their financial requirement. The policies which I am providing will also cover the corona expenses of your employees. But not only this insurances, and also many more insurances are screened here. People are started thinking why we wanted to take a corona insurance after the vaccination. But the vaccination is just a source to increase your immunity and decreases the chances to get infected by the virus. So always be safe and protect your hospitalization requirements. We have tied up with many insurance companies, and you can choose the insurance company from which that you wanted to buy the insurance. And I can assure that the premium will be very lesser and the benefit will be more in the market while comparing with other dealers. We also provide Corona Rakshak policy, which will be providing you a lump sum amount of 2.5 lakhs in any situations the COVID test is positive. This insurance has been stopped by 99% of the insurance companies, as the claim ratio is 99%. But still, I can assure that I can provide this policy for you. As an employee, when we are entering into an organization, it always makes ourselves comfortable and secure when the company provides us the insurance. I have different plans and ideas to provide you the best company insurances are which will not hit the company financial part as well. I am also deals with the personal insurances for the employees. If anyone requires the health insurance, savings plans, pension plan or premium back plans etc., which will help them to save their tax under Section 80C and 80D. It's always better to take in corporate insurance for your company to save your employees' medical expenses, which will help to avoid paying at end situations, especially at this most risk moment. You may not be getting policies from the dealers as your employee count is less than 100, but I can provide you the policies even if your employee count is 5. And you might be thinking why you need to choose me to purchase a policy. Some of the reason we have already mentioned here itself. Other than that, from my overall HR experience, I can help you out giving you the best policy for your company, which will help you to save your time on comparing many policies from many dealers. I have tied up with most of the major insurance companies such as ICICI, HDFC, Star Insurance, All India Insurance, SP, etc. And no additional charges for your any works or any other hidden charges for any other services. From the financial side, I can assure that I can give you the best policy with lesser premium and with more benefits which no one beat in the market. We will be available 364 days 24/7 for any support and guidance related to the insurance and claims. Apart from this, we will be providing you a personal manager particularly for your company to clear the queries and support for any hospitalization or any kind of insurance queries for you and your employees. We are also available to answer your employees' queries through any digital sources such as text message, WhatsApp message, calls and emails any day, any time. Also will be available in person whenever it's required. I personally request you to make your employees understand the importance of insurance and savings and encourage them to initiate individual, which will help them to save their tax as well. You are most welcome to share my contact to your employees regarding this. Now, later or in future, call me for any support. I'm available 24/7. If you couldn't able to reach me on my personal number which I've shared with you in the mail, you can even WhatsApp to 807-888-2500. Please save my number for any future requirements or share it with your friends for any other insurance requirements. An opportunity is a lot to me, awaiting your response at the earliest and eagerly waiting to work for your team. Have a great day. Stay safe. Thank you and see you soon.